What's up everyone? Today we're installing a quick but super effective suspension upgrade on my 22 Tundra Icon Vehicle Dynamics foam bump stops. The microcellular foam material is more compliant than the hard stock rubber material and will help to soften bottom outs when the suspension reaches full compression. The progressive bump stops design keeps the bump stop compliant to avoid jarring impacts on smaller bumps, yet ramps up on harder bottom outs to absorb more energy, further improving suspension performance and ride quality. First thing what we're going to do is just going to take a set of channel locks to the front here, and we're going to loosen up our old bump stop. It's as easy as that to remove. Then we're going to take our new bump stop. We're just going to press it into that cup. There you go, front's installed. Now to assemble the rear, you have your bolt, washer, and a 1/4 inch washer. Bump stop plate, bump stop cup, washer, tighten it down. Ready to be installed. You got 3 bolts. One's going to be here, one's going to be on this side, one's going to be on this side. We're just going to remove those and hold on to them because you're going to reuse them. Here we are from underneath the vehicle. And that's the removal. Just going to reuse the factory hardware. We'll take the bump stop and we'll press it into the cup. And there you have it. And that's it. A quick upgrade that makes a big difference on the trail. If you want to see more installation videos, or you want to see a breakdown of the Tundra here, drop a comment down below. Until then, see you on our next adventure.